What's up guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today I'm going to show you on how to connect your smartwatch, the JSW1688, to your smartphone. Let's go! Welcome back to my channel again guys. So today is I'm going to show you on how to connect your smartwatch to your smartphone, the JSW1688. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch, and we also have here our smartphone. So let's just go to your Google Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, just go to your App Store. So let's go and check the Fundo. Okay, and let's click install. And actually the size is around almost 70 megabytes, so it's actually quite huge than the other application that we had. And now it's installing. Alright, and it's done. So now let's open the application. Okay, and as you can see here are some tips. In my case, I just click agree and everything, and allow Fundo to access your contacts. Please open the permissions of the suspension frame. So turn it on, the Fundo application, and let's go back to, and then enable notification. Okay, allow, and let's go back here. And okay, so this is the home screen of the application. So now click more and click add device. So it said here, please switch on your Bluetooth. Let's switch it on. You can add the device. Alright, so it is very quick. So as you can see here, it's the JSW1688 smartwatch in here, you guys. And let's just connect it. Synchronizing data. Yes, and it said there, successful. Okay, so now let's, and you can see here, this was the record that I had yesterday. And let's try to see if it's really connected. Okay, and then let's have here find device, and ta-da, it's vibrating right now. Alright, so I think that's quite easy, you guys. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you want to be updated more about the affordable smartwatch, don't forget to click subscribe and also hit the notification bell. Alright, so that's all guys, and see you soon.